Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your 1010 portal 2021 reading for the, and as you know, that today is 1010 portal. Okay, and it is very beautiful portal. This is the new portal which is opening up on today, that is 10th October 2021, and I hope this portal is activating all the beautiful things inside your soul. It is activating the DNA activation is happening, the light codes activation is happening, the crown chakra, the root chakra, and the third eye activation is happening in many of you. This portal is very much important to all my Aquarius, okay, to all the star seeds, light workers, twin flames. This portal is very much important. So in this portal, this portal is Blue Ox Gateway. This is related to the star gateway, okay, and the star gateway name is Blue Ox Gateway, which connects to Blue Ray family, okay. Archangel Michael is connected to this portal, 1010 portal, the family of Syrians, and the ascension code is 1010 or 111. So maybe you can see a lot of 1010 and 111 these days. That can also be a possibility here. So if this gateway energy is activating inside your soul, then this means that you are now connecting with the animal spirits, natures, and healing of the nature. And for the activating this gateway energy, you have to activate your soul star chakra. Your solar star chakra is getting activated. This is very beautiful energies for all the star seeds, okay, light workers, twin flames, again I'm telling you. So let's see what this portal is bringing you. So this is the energy which I have get, because right now I'm not feeling well, as the energy is also impacting me also. So I am doing a short video on every zodiac sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner. So your basic energy is the Wheel of Fortune, Aquarius. The luck is moving in your side, okay. This is very beautiful energy for you. This portal is bringing the luck is on your side. That's the message I'm getting here. The Wheel of Fortune is here, and also here I was getting the same message that luck is on your side here. Okay, I'll tell you later on. See, sudden change of luck is likely. Things are working in your favor. Excellent time for networking. So right now the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Things are changing for you, Aquarius, okay. So now let's start your reading and let's see what this energy is bringing for you. Right now you are in your element of King of Swords. Maybe you are emotionally detached and you are in the energy of King of Swords, but someone is coming towards you, Aquarius, here with the Knight of Cup, okay, and Three of Cups and the Knight of Swords. So someone is coming towards you, Aquarius, at very high speed, okay. Someone is coming towards you with a commitment, with a love offer, and there is celebrations which are coming for you, okay. A lot of celebrations are coming up for you, and this person is your wish fulfillment, okay. The Nine of Cups is here. So this person is your wish fulfillment. This can be your twin flame. This is also a marriage card, 1111 card, Four of Wands. So maybe this person wants to get a marriage, or you are already married with this person, or this person wants to get married with you. There is a lot of communication which is coming towards you with the Eight of Wands, okay. And this is you, the star is here. So this is new hopes, new desires which are coming for you, Aquarius. So the communication is coming towards you from this person. Maybe this person is going to communicate with you through social media apps, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, okay. So this person is going to communicate with you. A lot of communication is indicated. This is beautiful energy. Can you see the Ten of Pentacles is here, and here also I'm having the happy family, happy life. See, so this is also beautiful energy. This person wants to create a happy family, happy life with you, abundance of everything. So this person maybe wants to give you commitment or the marriage proposal, because here I'm having a lot of cards which is telling me that this person wants to give you a commitment here, okay. See, the commitment is here. So the commitment is indicated around love or business. It will make you feel better, Aquarius. This is Ace of Wands. So new passionate beginning is starting between you and this person, and you are closing out a cycle. And 1010 portal is all about ending the cycles and beginning of new cycles. Okay, you are closing out all karmic cycles, all cycles before, and now you are starting a new cycles here. And this person can be a water sign, and sign can be anyone, but this person loves you a lot. King of Cups is someone who is in tune with their emotions. So this person loves you a lot, Aquarius. Okay, so this person is coming towards you to give you an offer, to give you a commitment. So this is very beautiful energy. That's what I can see from the tarot. So these are the tarot messages. Now see, from the Ganpati Bappa oracle deck, this is the new beginnings, and this is what the energy is. Okay, I told you new beginnings are coming up for you, Aquarius, and this is what it is. So beautiful energy for 1010 portal for you, Aquarius. New beginnings are happening up for you. You're becoming enlightenment, and this is your crown chakra activation. Maybe you can feel lot of pressure, headache, vibration on your crown chakra, because lot of galactic downloads are happening inside of you. You're becoming more enlightened than before. And the next message for you is personal transformation. So you're becoming more beautiful than before. Okay, you are rising from the phoenix ashes. I can say that you're rising from the phoenix ashes. You're becoming more balanced, aligned with the universe. Okay, so this is beautiful. And these two messages are also I am getting here. This is the healing of the heart, power of self love. So you are healing of your heart basically, and by loving yourself, by doing the self love, and that's beautiful because you are now more focusing on yourself. That's why you are rising as phoenix rising. I told you, soul's radiance. This is the second message which I'm seeing here, and there is a lot of 888999 numbers here which I can see. Okay, so you are rising from the phoenix. This is beautiful energy for you, Aquarius. Your root chakra is also getting activated here, so maybe you can feel a lot of activations or vibrations on your root chakra. And also the activation of thought chakra is getting activated here, so your thought chakra is also getting activated. Okay, so thought chakra and root chakra is getting activated here. See, I'm also having the same message from here also. See, first chakra, your archangel Michael here is here, which is telling me that your root chakra is getting activated. Definitely let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything regarding this, but your root chakra is definitely going to activate. And your thought chakra, that's your fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel, which is with you, and they are activating these two chakra inside of you, Aquarius. Now you can communicate and express your thoughts and feelings more clearly. So basically your two chakras are getting activated, your root chakra and your thought chakra. These two activations are happening inside of you. Okay, right now you have to keep patience, Aquarius. Okay, have patience, because why I'm saying that, let me make some space here. And I'm really sorry because I'm doing this reading like this today, because I am not be able to do that reading which I used to do, as I'm feeling this energy a lot. Okay, so because lot of beautiful blossoming abundance and cornucopia, this is very beautiful energy, Aquarius. This is the lot of abundance which is coming for you. Okay, lot of abundance is coming for you. Can you see? I can have the many lot of abundance is coming for you. When your heart intention is to serve humanity, doors of abundance naturally opens. So this portal is bringing you basically lot of abundance, lot of good fortune, good luck. Okay, the luck, the good of fortune, the wheel of fortune. This portal is bringing you beautiful energy here, Aquarius. Okay, so that's the message which I was getting here for you. Now let's see more messages here. Angel of love is here, Aquarius, and door to value is opening up. So lot of financial gain and balance in love is coming up for you. Door to personal happiness, healing and happiness is coming up for you. Someone is thinking about you. The thinking man is here. So this person is thinking about you here, but maybe this person is gaining strength to approach you. Okay, angel of strength is here. So this person is thinking about you. They're missing you basically. They are gaining the strength basically to approach you. Right now you have to rest and rejuvenate yourself, Aquarius. Okay, and this person wants to create the happy family with you. They want to get married with you, they want to have kids. Maybe you can see lot of rainbows these days. That can also a possibility. Right now you have to take care of yourself, Aquarius. Okay, rest and rejuvenate yourself, because and you have to take the deep replenishment is happening. Okay, so spend some time in nature if you can, and take care of yourself, because you are going through a process of transformation. Things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing is happening. Okay, so deep healing is happening here, Aquarius. You have to take care of yourself right now. Take care of yourself and take rest and rejuvenate yourself if you're feeling very heavy for this energy. So that means you have to take care of yourself, because you are going through a process of transformation, and this is very beautiful energy you are going through. Okay, and you are releasing and unbounding the soul patterns, the contracts of the past life and this lifetime. So declutter your mind, declutter your life, and let go any correspondence or object or people who no longer serve your highest good. Someone will hurt your feelings or reveal a new side of them that you may wish to avoid, but do not worry at all, because right now you are releasing the soul patterns and contracts. Okay, so let go anything which does not serve your highest good. Let them go. Okay, and see this thing, that who and what is triggering you, because that is mirroring you, and on whatever is triggering you, you have to work on that part. Okay, so because, and if you think that you are alone, so you are not alone at all, Aquarius. Council of Light, this is divine orchestrations help us in the subtitle room. This is very powerful card and powerful message. You are not alone. Okay, the divine, the universe, the angels, the ascended masters, the archangels are with you. They are helping you out in your journey, because you are here for creating the age of light, the age of Aquarius, the golden age of Aquarius, the age of humanitarian, the age of love and light. And you are being getting the training for this for many past lives. So you are not alone at all. Okay, you're getting the light and the help from the divine orchestrations are with you. The divine helpers are with you. The divine, the God, the universe, angels are with you, Aquarius. Okay, and get ready for the new journey. This can be that you are going to travel somewhere. Okay, and if you are not traveling somewhere, so that means that you are soon going to start a new chapter of your life. As I told you that there is a new beginnings. Okay, new beginnings are happening for you, Aquarius. So new beginnings are coming up for you. You are starting a new chapter of your life here. So this is very beautiful energy. Now see, this is what I was telling you, that release anything that keeps you from your path of authenticity. Declutter and release. Let go and release anything which don't serve your highest good. 1231 is the recording reading time. So this is very important message here. Okay, and romance is in the air. So I told you there is someone who is coming towards you. This person loves you a lot here. 1 minute, where is the card? Knight of Cups. Yes, so love is in the air. This person is coming towards you with lot of love. This person is Knight of Cups usually someone who is very romantic. Okay, who is loyal, stable. So love is in the air. Love is set to sizzle. The chance for romance is high for those who seeking a connection, and commitment is indicated here. So maybe this person wants to give you a commitment, which I told you too, that this person wants to give you a commitment here. Then there is truth. Okay, see your light, know your power, have the courage to walk your truth here. That's also a message from the Starseed Oracle here. And there is dreams. The universe speaks to you through your dreams. So maybe you can get the messages through your dreams. So pay attention to your dream messages. 1333 is the recording reading time. So maybe you can see lot of 333 these days. Okay, so pay attention to your dreams, because your dreams are giving, there is a message through your dreams. The universe is trying to contact you through the dreams. And use your wisdom. To focus on the past is to lose the future. Heed advice from an older person which will allow you to move on. Maybe some kind of old person will help you out in this, but use your wisdom, because you are an old soul, Aquarius. So use your wisdom here. Okay, then these are the two messages from the heart, and this is very beautiful message. This message is, I am safe to explore new love with others. Okay, so you can use this affirmation, I am safe to explore new love with others. That's the first message. And the second message is, I am the master of my own mind. I am ready to move forward. So move forward, move in a forward direction, Aquarius, and you are the master of your own mind. So you can use these two affirmations here. Then these two messages are also here, which I was receiving here for you. So I told you that Archangel Michael, this gateway is related to Archangel Michael, and Archangel Michael message I am getting here again and again. So Archangel Michael is with you, and he is protecting with you, he's protecting you, and he's the heart of warrior, divine protection and synchronicities. So maybe you can see lot of synchronicities these days, Aquarius. Okay, I told you because the Archangel Michael is with you. Okay, and also one more message is that this is very beautiful message, and it is universal Markaba. You have to, I told you in my earlier videos, you can have a look on that videos too. You have the answer, you have a divine purpose, and that is that you have to activate your individual Markabic field, and you have to merge your Markabic field to the universe Markabic field. So these activations are happening inside of you. I'm going to read it out from the book also. So this is very beautiful messages, Aquarius. This portal is bringing you lot of things, and this says, I'm going to read it out for you. This universal Markaba means that universal Markaba awakens a deeper experience of the human consciousness. The personal Markaba that surrounds your aura connects you to the universal Markaba matrix paradigm with a fine platinum thread. This allows you to astral travel and access different level of consciousness. Connected to the unified mind, the universal Markaba enhance your perception of self-awareness and communication with the emotional or feeling body. Talking to the self in this way that improves intuitive, sensitive inner knowing, and the ability to sense and understand emotional imbalances when bodily pain and sensations occur. Often viewed as being seated on a great white throne, Ascension Master Sanat Kumara asks you to recall your life experiences. Connect to your inner guru for wisdom and purpose. While learning can be difficult, it is essential you save yourself from personal destruction. Okay, the wise master asks you to set yourself free and deny any influence that is not 100% pure light source, calling you closer to your soul's scared light. And unified mind resets your universal Markaba to resonate in harmonic perfection with Sanat Kumara guidance. When your Markaba is aligned, be prepared to say goodbye to those who wish to take advantage and keep you stuck in the status quo. The power of love unifies all. You are love, love your temple. Okay, so this is very beautiful message here, Aquarius. Maybe these days you can you can do the astral travels, and you can do connected to the astral realms also. Okay, so this was your reading, and I hope it will help you out in some manner. Okay, sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.